Alright, what is going on, guys? So, day off work today. Just drove out to a newish river. It's about 30 miles away. I fished it once on opening day. Had a pike, but it was like way too weedy to fish it properly. So yeah, I've come back today. Hopefully the weeds all died. It is like late November, so it should have. But yeah, see if we can catch some fish. It's been a bit slow for me lately. That's why I run a new water. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, I'm going to get on bank. Not sure what layers I'm going to be using yet. But yeah, sure we'll figure some out. So today. Right, first spot was dead. Well, it wasn't dead, but there were just like 30 dead baiters lined up, and it was not really a big stretch of river, so didn't have much space to cast. And yeah, I prefer quieter places. So we fished there for about 20 minutes, didn't see a fish, so moved, come to a spot where I fished once about 2 years ago. Caught 2 fish, I think, if I remember right. One of them was quite big, so hopefully there's some more. Last time I was going to fish here a couple of months ago, but it was mad overgrown, so hopefully now it's like nearly winter, it should be better. So yeah, second spot, we'll see how it goes. Right, just snapped up the bridge, so spent 10 minutes retying a leader and left being on it, so we'll put it through properly. So switched it up, going for a big fish, so put the big Savage gear ropes on, 25 centimetre, 200 gram. Oof, so nice action. Just a bit of shit with that current. Oh. Hopefully something big will smash this today. Probably just going to keep mixing lures up until I get a follow or a hit or something. I've not seen anything today. It's been so slow. That current's not helping anything either. I'm hoping when I get up that channel it won't be as bad with the current as it is down here. I think this is more because there's 2 rivers meeting. Oh, just got whacked. Oh, I missed it. Got a right hit. I was twitching it rather than just swimming it because of the current. It got nailed. No way. I was not expecting that right out in the middle of that. Right, I'm going to leave this on then. Oh, ripped its fin. Yeah, I've got some cuts right there. I don't know if they're a big fish or not, but proper slammed it then. Right, I've got hope now then. I'm going to twitch this back a bit. Oh, I missed it. Second hit of the day. Oh, and I missed it. God damn it. Proper like slowly following that in then. Bloody pheasants. Wow, this is very coloured. I think this is colour the rest of the river's going to be soon. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Right, this little drain. Cool. Get round to where I can land him. Oh, that took some effort. That's somewhere I did not expect to get a bite as well. Right where that coloured water is. Sweet, oh, it's not even a bad fish to be fair. But I should be able to hand land it. Check my cameras on as well. Yeah, dude, we nailed it. Got them hooks right deep. Easy, bro, easy. Oh, there we go. Got a fat jack. First fish at day. Well, finally managed to fish. Nailed that hypo tease. Lure looks massive for a fish. It's only probably 75 centimetre, but yeah, nice to get one. Get this guy put back. Just a proper slam that to get both hooks as they are. There we go, nice fish. Starting to get its winter colours on it. Hand release. Nice fat fish, definitely been feeding up. There he goes. Ooh, sweet as. Well, finally got a fish. Covered in swan poop now, but my lure. But we got one. Cast it into coloured water, and yeah, first casting there, so probably a few more casts into that bit to be fair. Not somewhere I normally fish in like, but yeah, got one. So maybe they're moving into coloured water, just for whatever reason. Maybe that's where bait's hiding. See how this swims with extra rattles chucked in it. Oh, just got a whack straight away first cast. Oh, maybe they did want something a bit smaller and brighter then. Oh, there is more pike. I knew there'd be more fish down there. First cast that just got crushed. Don't think it were a big pike there, but defo got hammered. Oh, okay. Oh, twice it's hit it now then. It's only a small jack, but it'd be nice to get a second fish on bank. It's been pretty coy like, but it maybe just didn't go for that other lure because it was a bit too big for it then. Right, last spot of the day, probably. Oh, super weedy. We're probably going to end up fishing weedless, but we'll see how it is. Straight into weed. But yeah, I know there's plenty of jacks in, a few better fish. Whether I can find any feeding fish, that's the issue. Bank access is looking a bit of a pain as well. where I am at the minute anyway. Not too bad. Tons and tons of weed. It's mad how windy it is weedy it is at this time of year. It's yeah, everywhere else is cleared out of weed, but it's stacked up here still, which is really weird. Ooh, just spooked a pike right in front of me. At least I know there's some about then. Usually on this place, if there's one, there's a few in area. Oh, just got bumped. Oh, it's got it. That's not a bad fish either. Oh, yes! Yes, 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 yes. Oh! Oh! I didn't get a really good upset on him because I thought I missed it, but oh, just sort of swam towards me with it and then chucked it. Decent fish that. That were a double all day. No way. Such a strange little hit that. Like, just got it in his mouth, started swimming towards me, sort of got an upset on him, and then poof, gone. Just let go of it. Oh, right. Okay. Might have been a good idea to come here then. I've just seen a fish rise a bit further up as well. Yeah, that were a double figure pike that just grabbed onto it, but didn't get a hook. Weird. Looked super cool in this clear water though, and nice to get another hit after it's been mega slow. There we go. Yes! Hooked up finally. Tiny jack. Finally hooked the pike. Try and get down to it. There's a tiny fish as well. But it's a fish. Wow. Nice pattern on that. That was one of this year's spawns, that. Took some effort to get that second fish landed then. Absolute tiny pike. But he crushed it and got hooked. I've been fishing now. On a tree. And my rod ring's come up. I've been fishing now for 6.5 hours, and I've had one big jack and one small jack. So it's been very difficult. Not one of those days where I get 5 fish in 2 hours, that's for sure. But still, you can't have really good days of fishing every day, or it'd be boring, wouldn't it? So you just expect to catch. So you get days like this to make the good days better. Well, at least went blanked. I think there's one behind it.